This is the 1959 Bellanca, and it's known as three different names. It's a 1419-3, or it's a Bellanca 260, or it's a Bellanca Cruisemaster, depending on who you talk to. This particular airplane was the first retractable nose wheel that Bellanca built in 1959. The company changed ownership in '59. It actually went from Bellanca to Downer Aircraft Company. Downer built 127 of the nose wheel triple tail. Best friends were coming over to our house for barbecue. John Pierce was his name. He said, man, we were up at trucking today and saw this airplane, never seen one like it. And he said, I got to talking to the guy, and he says, he told me where there is one. John was a patriot and a man of his word. He says, we're gonna wait 1 year and go find the airplane. If it's still there, we're gonna buy it. I said, why are we gonna wait a year? He says, I wouldn't buy it out from underneath anybody. And so 1 year and a day later, I'd actually kind of forgot about this. And John calls me, he says, Scott, let's go to Felon. So we went out and basically hangar to hangar to hangar. And the airport manager says, it's in that hangar. The people have been paying rent for 35 years. We called the estate, and the estate says, we've had people call, but they always want to steal the airplane from us. And John said, whoa, whoa, whoa. I am not a thief. I will not steal your airplane. He says, let's do this backwards. Family get together, you put a number on it, you decide what you want for it, and Scott and I will say yes or no. There will be no counter offer. So we bought the airplane, got access to it, drained the fuel, drained the oil, put hoses, belts, got a ferry permit, flew it home. They are challenging to say the least, but on the other hand, they're very basic airplanes. We stripped the wings to the bare wood, sanded, refinished, filled as needed, recovered. The airframe, we stripped it and recoated the metal and then recovered with fabric. I found what I consider the best painter, the best interior, the best engine builder, and the best avionics shop to help me put it back together. I've flown it just under 600 hours. We've been all over the western half of the United States, in every state. This gets a little emotional because when John and I built the airplane, we had a handshake agreement that if something happened to either one of us, that we would finish the airplane and bring it to Oshkosh. John passed away about 3 years into the project, and so I had made a commitment to him that I would finish the airplane and bring it here. And it turned out perfect, so here we are.